Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process to install Kali Linux in VMware Workstation using the installer image. I will make it easy and fun, so grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Before we begin, the first thing you will need is the Kali Linux installer image. Open your browser, head over to the official Kali Linux website at kali.org. Click on Downloads. Here you have to click on Installer Image. Scroll down. Click on Download button. As you can see, the downloading will start now. Let it finish downloading. You will use this ISO file to install Kali Linux inside VMware. Before we start the installation, make sure you have VMware Workstation installed. If you haven't installed VMware yet, go back to my previous video where I showed you how to download and install VMware Workstation on your system. Check the link in the description or at the top right corner of your screen. Once it's installed, open VMware Workstation and click on Create a new virtual machine. Select the option Typical Recommended and click Next. In the Guest Operating System Installation section, choose Installer Disk Image File and browse to the Kali Linux ISO you downloaded earlier. Click Next to continue. Here you have to select Linux, and in the version you have to select Debian. This is the location where your virtual machine will be installed. Here you have to select Store Virtual Disk as a single file for better performance, but you can choose the multi-file option if preferred. Set the disk size at least 20 GB recommended. Click Next and finally finish to create your virtual machine. Click on Power on this virtual machine. The VM will boot from the ISO file we selected earlier. The Kali Linux installation screen will appear. Select Graphical Install and press Enter. Now follow the installation steps. Select your language. Continue. Choose your location. Continue. And configure the keyboard layout. And continue. As per your choice. The installer will proceed to the network configuration. Once the network is configured, set the host name for your Kali Linux. I suggest something simple like Kali. Click continue. You can leave it blank. Set up a user account and password for your system. Click continue. We need to set up the disk partitions for Kali Linux. Choose Guided Use Entire Disk to let the installer automatically partition the disk for you. Select the disk you want to use. Default should be fine. All files and non partitions recommended for new users. Click continue. Write the changes to disk. Yes. Click continue. This process will take a few minutes, so grab a snack. Once the partitioning is complete, the installer will copy files and install the necessary packages. This might take a while, depending on your system and internet speed. After the package installation, you will be asked to install the grub bootloader. Make sure to select yes to install it, then continue. Click on this and click continue. Done. When the installation is complete, the system will ask you to reboot the machine. Click continue. Congrats. Kali Linux is now installed. After the reboot, you will see the Kali Linux login screen. Log in using the user account and password you set during the installation. You are all set. Enjoy exploring Kali Linux. And that's it. We have successfully installed Kali Linux in VMware Workstation using the installer image. Linux. Now you can start your penetration testing journey with Kali Linux. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified about more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.